S-M100 Metal 3D Printing Equipment Demonstration by Matrix3D. The maximum molding size of this device is 100 mm*, 100 mm*, 100 mm, suitable for 3D printing of metal powder materials such as stainless steel, mold steel, cobalt-based alloys, high-temperature alloys, titanium alloys, aluminum alloys, etc. This equipment can be used to print samples in scientific research and teaching fields, such as fine medical equipment, dental crowns, jewelry, and lightweight lattices. Compared to traditional casting processes, the processing speed is fast, reaching up to 120 teeth per 5 hours. The device is equipped with dental medical dedicated open parameters, optional flexible or rigid scraper system, and can be monitored in real time through remote cloud platform and app. The device is compact in size, highly integrated, easy to operate, and can easily start your journey of metal 3D printing.